We will do the exercise for learning how to control anger after some of my questions. Your answers will help you in the exercise that we do. Take a pen and paper to write down the answers. First question. Anger could be a form of defense? Let me clarify. Do you think that the right amount of anger can help us when we have to defend ourselves from attacks? Also psychological. If the answer is yes, write yes. The righteous anger can help. Do you happen to feel attacked and to have the feeling of having to fight and to lose against someone or something that maybe is not there? Write yes or no. Do you think the anger has many ties with aggression? It's a force that can cause loss of control. I think you will write soon, yes. The uncontrollable anger is present only when you lose the ability to think, when the brain is totally clouded. I hope your answer is yes, so you will agree if I say, always, if our mind is free from alcohol or drugs, the anger can be manageable. Just realize that it is so. But how is it done? I think that's your question. My answer is using a thought that may neutralize another thought malformed registered at the wrong time. Recorded in the brain, this is what I propose to do with my exercise. Let's try together. Close your eyes and think of an incident in which you would not want to be angry. Take the time you need to remember something that should not have happened. The scene is in front of you. Strangeness, he thought to be drawn on a blackboard. Now he stopped to think what should not be done. You say to yourself, should not happen that. So finish the sentence. Repeat the phrase softly. I should not. That should not have happened. Whispers inside your head. It must not happen again. Now imagine to have a sponge in hand. You can delete on the blackboard what it is best that there is not. If you delete all, that's even better. On the blackboard, you write a sentence that begins with, I want to be. Then add what would you be, even the most absurd thing. I repeat, on the blackboard, with the eye of mind, imagines to write, I wish, and you add who or what. You must add, if you want the thing more absurd or unreal for you. Now look closely at what is written on the blackboard. Open your eyes and see with your mind's eye the sentence on the blackboard. This is a magic phrase. You look and read whenever you feel inside something that you can call anger. And promise me that you will look and read it whenever you feel inside the anger that you do not want to. A great phrase that begins with, I would like to be. I'd like to know, but unfortunately, you cannot answer me. But I want to remind you that you can send an email. Before closing, I want to remind that all exercises should be repeated because we have the certainty that every discomfort is the result of a bad memory. Some memories have an effect on the thoughts that determine changes in our feelings and emotions and therefore in our actions. See you in another video.